Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to play 3 Libras on acoustic guitar. We'll start by mastering the core chord progression that drives the entire song. You'll primarily use 4 essential chords: G major, C major, D major, and E minor. Focus on making your transitions between these chords fluid and effortless. This foundational practice is crucial for building a solid rhythm and feel for the piece, setting you up for success as we progress. Next, let's dive into the strumming pattern, which is key to capturing the song's feel. A common and effective pattern is down, down, up, down. Pay close attention to accenting the first and third beats of each measure. This creates the driving rhythm. Aim for a consistent tempo of around 120 beats per minute. Practicing with a metronome will greatly help in developing a precise and steady strum. For those looking to add more texture, consider incorporating a simple fingerpicking pattern, especially during the verses. A good starting point is to use your thumb for the bass note, then your index, middle, and ring fingers for the second, third, and fourth strings, respectively. Try alternating the bass note between the G and C chords to create a richer, more dynamic sound. This technique adds a beautiful layer to the song. Finally, let's look at the overall song structure and some effective practice tips. 3 Libras generally follows a verse-chorus, bridge, chorus pattern. Break the song down into smaller sections and practice each part slowly until you're comfortable. Gradually increase your speed and then combine the sections. Consistent daily practice, even just 15 minutes, will significantly improve your playing and help you master this beautiful song.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.